In this video, we upgrade our older 1994 motorhome's entry step for under $20, using, of all things, carpet purchased at Dollar Tree. For years, our motorhome step area has been needing an upgrade. However, we did not want to put a lot of money or time into this project. Then I saw these carpet pieces at the Dollar Tree and had an idea. Most RV carpets are just installed without padding, so why not glue the new carpet over the existing old carpet? I will only need to spend about $6 on the carpet at Dollar Tree and about $14 for the glue at Home Depot. Best thing about this simple project, that if it doesn't work, is I can still remove the old carpet I would have had to remove anyway. A win-win situation in my book. After dry fitting the carpet in place, it's time to apply the spray glue. 3M makes a high-strength spray adhesive that is water and heat resistant. The wide spray path makes it easy to apply. For those that don't want to use Dollar Tree carpet, Home Depot and Lowe's also sell carpet in smaller sizes. Many of these come with a 5-year warranty. They also sell a black diamond mat that could also be installed using this technique. I recommend gluing one part of the carpet first to line it up, then glue the rest to assure a proper fit.
I guess my biggest concern is I want to make sure there's a lot of glue between the seams here when I connect them. So that would be the critical path item, if you will. So I'm just going to go halfway, and then I'm going to spray this again. It's a good application of glue, and again on that seam. Okay, let's put this one up. Again, we did a dry fit. So if I've done my homework, it all should go into one piece here. The other thing is when I do this, it works really well afterwards if I wait and then I press it, because then the glue gets sticky tacky. And so we'll see what happens here. I'm amazed how this glue actually does hold. Okay, now that looks to me like it's together. And again, it seems like you gotta wait a little while for it to get tacky and then press it up against the undercarpeting like this, because this just got to be solid as a rock on that side. What does it look like to you? Does it look like there's a seam there?
Okay, almost done. Just finishing up the steps. We just need to make sure that we applied enough glue, especially to the rounded corner of the step, and to press firmly for good adhesion.
So there you have it. And when I look at the carpet here, it is very firm. I'm really surprised. I can't tell really there's carpet underneath. It feels more like just a pad, like a carpet pad underneath, because you can't tell at all that there's regular carpet underneath. it came out great. Very solid, I can't, you can't press very much at all. Just, again, like a pad underneath. So a very easy-going project. It's one of those things where you kind of go, oh my gosh, I wish I would have done this years ago. But I could never find the right color or the right product that I felt would work, and not to mention the cost. So again, this is a very, very simple project, and hopefully something you might think of when working on your RV. So until next time, we wish you all the best and happy RVing.
Thank you so much for spending some time with us today. If you get a chance, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you.